Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a group on Snapchat. So, if you want to make a group or a group chat on Snapchat, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it today. So, you might have never made a group before or you just forgot how to do it. Snapchat also made a new update showing changing the way how you make a group. So, I'll show you guys exactly how to make a group in this video today. But first things first, you want to make sure that your Snapchat app is all the way updated. And then once you do that, you can just head over to the Snapchat app. Once you open the Snapchat app, you'll be brought to this page right here. And once you are brought to this page, you're going to want to go over to the chats option, where it shows all the chats that you have. So click on the chat bar in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you click on that, it will bring you to this page here. From this page, to create a group out of, first, you want to make sure that you're friends with everybody that you want to add to the chat or the group. And once you do that, you can click on the blue icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and it will show this option for a new chat. To create a group, right under the search bar at the top of the screen, there should be an option that says new group. If you click on that, then it will create a new group, and it will ask you for the new group name. So you can put that in first or last, and then you can choose whoever you want to add to the group. Now, to add the people to the group, you have to name the group as first, or after you choose everybody, but you have to name it. And then once you do that, you also have to make sure that everybody is friends with you that you are trying to add to the group, like I said. And if there is somebody that you're not friends with, it won't let you add them to the group. But you can add up to 100 people in a single group. And as you can see, this is the group right here. You can send a chat to everybody, and then they'll all get it at the same time. And they'll all be able to chat as well. But there's a couple of things you can do with the group. If you go click on the profile picture in the top left screen, it'll bring you to this page here, and here you can remove people from the group because you made it. So if you ever get annoyed with people, you can just remove them from the group. I'm pretty sure you can add people to the group as well, but that is how you create a group on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.